In digital marketing, distinguishing between vanity metrics and actionable insights is crucial. Vanity metrics, like page views, often mislead, while actionable insights, such as conversion rates, directly impact business decisions. Focus on metrics that align with strategic goals to ensure content drives real value and business success. Distinguishing between vanity metrics and actionable insights is crucial for effective content strategy. Mastering key performance indicators like time on page, scroll depth, and lead generation helps in making informed decisions. Systematic content auditing identifies underperforming assets, while robust return on investment calculation frameworks communicate content's business impact effectively. The Content Marketing Institute reveals 65% of marketers struggle to prove return on investment, risking budget cuts and stagnant strategies. Despite digital marketing's promise of measurability, many rely on superficial metrics. Distinguishing between appealing numbers and impactful results is crucial for strategic content marketing. With $412 billion in global digital ad spending, understanding true value is imperative. Vanity metrics, like likes and follower counts, often mislead marketers. They boost ego, but don't drive business results. A post with 10,000 likes is meaningless if it doesn't convert to leads or sales. High page views are futile if visitors don't engage. Focus on metrics that align with business goals. Actionable metrics are crucial for aligning with business goals. Lead generation rate measures how well content captures prospects. Conversion rate evaluates content effectiveness by tracking desired actions. Customer acquisition cost, calculated by dividing total content investment by customers acquired, demonstrates return on investment to leadership. These metrics provide actionable insights for strategic improvements. Vanity metrics, like total likes and page views, often mislead by focusing on quantity. Actionable metrics, such as engagement rate by audience segment and time on page, provide deeper insights. They emphasize quality interactions and business outcomes, like qualified lead generation and conversion-driving content, ensuring strategies align with objectives and deliver tangible results. Time on page is crucial for assessing content engagement. It indicates if visitors find your material compelling or if they leave quickly. Google's algorithm values dwell time, impacting rankings. Longer engagement enhances comprehension, brand recall, and conversions. Aim for 3+ minutes to show value. Compare your performance to industry benchmarks. Blog posts 2 to 3 minutes, landing pages 45 to 60 seconds. Scroll depth measures how far visitors scroll, revealing content engagement. If 80% reach 25%, but only 20% reach 75%, it indicates where interest wanes. Enhance engagement by adding strategic calls to action, visuals, and subheadings every 300 words. Distribute valuable insights throughout to maintain reader interest and improve content structure. Lead generation rate measures the percentage of visitors converting into potential customers by completing forms or downloads. This key performance indicator links content performance to pipeline growth. Interactive tools and webinars outperform blogs, guiding your content strategy and resource allocation. Focus on high-performing formats to enhance lead generation and drive business growth. Social shares are impactful when you monitor who shares and the subsequent actions. An influencer's share can outweigh numerous random shares. Key metrics include share rate by audience, social referral traffic quality, conversion rate, share velocity, and amplification rate. Employ urchin tracking module parameters to track downstream behavior effectively. Zombie content drains resources and harms search engine optimization by signaling low-value content. A content audit identifies these underperformers, revealing that 60–70% of content often requires optimization, consolidation, or deletion. With over 500 pieces published, only 20–30% drive results, making audits essential for improving content effectiveness and marketing efficiency. Begin by inventorying all content. Export URLs from your content management system, including blog posts and product pages. Gather 12 months of performance data for each URL. Identify zombie content with low traffic or high bounce rates. Decide whether to keep, improve, consolidate, or delete each piece. Implement changes, monitor results, and document successful strategies. Thin content under 300 words lacks depth. Expand with data and expert insights to over 1,000 words, or merge posts into comprehensive guides. Outdated information needs current data and refreshed examples. Keyword cannibalization requires consolidating pages with 3-1 redirects. Ensure content has clear calls to action to guide visitors toward conversions. A case study highlights the impact of content audits. Monthly organic visitors surged from 23 to 847, and conversions rose from 0 to 42. Bounce rate dropped from 87% to 34%. Key changes included expanding content from 400 to 2,100 words, incorporating expert interviews, updating statistics, enhancing internal links, and adding strategic calls to action. Content return on investment measures the return on your content investment. Calculate it by subtracting content costs from revenue generated, then divide by content costs. Consider direct sales, pipeline influence, upsells, and reduced support costs. Include writer fees, staff salaries, and promotion expenses. Use multi-touch attribution models for accurate crediting across the buyer journey. Attribution models are crucial for accurately crediting content's role in the buyer journey. First-touch models highlight initial awareness, while last-touch models emphasize conversion. Linear models distribute credit equally, but time decay models prioritize recent interactions. U-shaped models focus on awareness and conversion, whereas W-shaped models capture complex business-to-business journeys. Consistency in model choice ensures reliable trend analysis. Marketing identifies and nurtures prospects, building awareness and trust through content. It educates on problems and solutions, qualifying leads for sales. Sales then engages these qualified leads, customizing solutions, handling objections, and closing deals. This handoff from marketing to sales is crucial for converting educated prospects into customers. Traditional marketing reaches broad audiences, but lacks precise targeting and real-time measurability. Digital marketing offers precision targeting, real-time tracking, and cost efficiency. It enables two-way engagement and rapid optimization. This shift has led to digital advertising surpassing traditional methods, driven by its transformative ability to measure and optimize effectively. Brands are shifting budgets to digital due to precision targeting, allowing them to reach specific audiences without wasted impressions. Cost efficiency is achieved by paying only for engaged users, enabling small budgets to test return on investment. Real-time optimization and complete visibility provide insights into the customer journey, proving return on investment with hard data. Google Analytics 4 offers event-based tracking and custom reports, ideal for understanding user interactions. SEMrush excels in content audits and search engine optimization analysis, identifying zombie content and optimization opportunities. HubSpot provides multi-touch attribution and comprehensive return on investment reporting, perfect for business-to-business marketers linking content performance to revenue. These tools transform data into actionable insights, enhancing content strategy. A mid-market SaaS company faced unclear return on investment on a $15,000 monthly content spend. By auditing content, they identified 40% as zombie content, optimized the top 20%, and implemented lead scoring. This reduced costs to $12,000, increased marketing qualified leads to 340, and achieved a 380% return on investment, proving content's value in the buyer journey. Avoid tracking too many metrics. Focus on 5 to 7 key ones aligned with business goals to prevent confusion. Qualitative data like customer feedback is crucial for understanding metric movements. Content performance should be judged over quarters, not weeks. Implement multi-touch attribution to credit all content touchpoints fairly. Segment data by audience and channel to uncover true insights. An effective measurement dashboard starts with defining business objectives like revenue targets and market share. Select 5 to 7 core key performance indicators, including leading and lagging indicators. Set benchmarks using historical data. automate data collection through application programming interfaces for real-time updates. Schedule weekly tactical and monthly strategic reviews to ensure metrics drive decisions. Begin with a comprehensive content audit, pulling 12 months of data to identify underperforming content. Establish baseline metrics, define key performance indicators aligned with business goals, and set up a measurement dashboard. Optimize content by updating or deleting low performers, and add conversion opportunities. Conduct weekly reviews to iterate and scale successful strategies, refining your attribution model. Focus on actionable metrics like engagement depth and conversion rates to boost revenue. Audit content ruthlessly. Optimize or delete zombie content. Prove return on investment with multi-touch attribution, connecting content to revenue. Continuously optimize by using insights to refine strategy, enhancing winners, and eliminating underperformers. Master measurement to master content return on investment.